Welcome to the world of printing, where precision meets production. My name is Emmanuel Amo from Dell Printer. Today, we are diving into the art of printing estimation, the key to unlocking profitability and efficiency. This is the printing estimation application developed by Dell Printer. It ensures precise estimates for print job costs, including materials, labor, and overhead charges. It helps set competitive prices and prevent underpricing or overpricing. The application also includes a budgeted hourly rate cost calculator for accurate task-based rates and production standards templates that ensure production times spent on works are retrieved for operational efficiency and consistent quality. This scene shows visuals of people in an organization working on estimating software, inputting data. Estimation is more than just crunching numbers. It's about forecasting the true cost of labor, machinery, overheads, and materials. But how can we ensure every cedi or dollar is accounted for? One undeniable fact is that materials such as plates, inks are tangible. Their costs are straightforward, yet they are only part of the equation. The real challenge lies in the unseen labor and overhead cost. These visuals of analytics were pulled from the app after an estimate. It is crucial to improve printing estimation accuracy and and to improve printing estimation accuracy and your resource allocation to avoid cost overruns in any project, including manufacturing and printing. That resource hybrid application collects real-time data to monitor expenses, integrates with project views, and enables efficient cost planning and tracking. Start using their print source print mix today. By using production standards, accurate estimates can align with industry standards by specifying time and resources needed for operational efficiency. The cost calculator retrieves the required cost information and hours needed for any project. As you can see on the screen, detailed hours and hourly costs have been assigned to a specific project. Also captured are the total cost for specific tasks in a project. With such diligent review, strategic direction, and a commitment to precision, mastering the art of printing estimation is possible. And by using production standards, accurate estimates can align with industry standards by specifying time and resources, ensuring operational efficiency. The cost calculator retrieves the required cost information and hours needed. With diligent review, strategic allocation, and a commitment to precision, mastering the art of printing estimation is possible. And this is the conclusion. All costs, including profit, taxes, unit price, are presented. It's time to narrow the gap, conduct thorough review, make strategic allocations, and commit to precision. You can master the art of printing estimation. You can also get in touch with their printer. We'll be able to assist you redefine your estimating practices and bring it to the level that is that will make you competitive and profitable. Thank you. You can head over to our next slide and get our contact details. From the contact, we'll be able to talk and assist in the direction that is better and good for your print operations. Thank you. So these are visuals of a completed project being delivered to a satisfied client. In the end, it's not just about getting it right, it's about setting the standard for excellence in printing.